Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an amazing method of growing watermelon that I wish I knew sooner. This method has transformed the way I grow watermelons for my family, making the fruit sweeter and more succulent than ever before. So let's dive in and discover the secrets to growing the best watermelons. First things first, choosing the right seeds is crucial. Look for varieties that are known for their sweetness and adaptability to your climate. My personal favorites are Sugar Baby and Crimson Sweet. These varieties have consistently given me delicious and juicy watermelons. Next, let's talk about soil preparation. Watermelons love well-drained sandy loam soil with a pH between 6.0 and 6.8. I start by tilling the soil to a depth of 12 inches and then mixing in plenty of organic compost. This not only improves soil structure but also provides essential nutrients for the growing plants. Once your soil is ready, it's time to plant the seeds. I plant mine about 1 inch deep and 2 to 3 feet apart to give them plenty of room to grow. Water the seeds thoroughly after planting to kickstart the germination process. Watermelons need consistent moisture, especially during flowering and fruit development. I water my plants deeply once a week, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. To retain moisture and suppress weeds, I apply a thick layer of mulch around the plants. Straw or wood chips work great for this. For fertilizing, I use a balanced fertilizer with equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. I apply it when the plants start vining and again when they begin to set fruit. This ensures the plants have all the nutrients they need to produce large, sweet watermelons. Pruning and training the vines can significantly improve fruit quality. I remove any small, weak vines and limit the number of fruits per vine to 2 or 3. This directs more energy to the developing fruits, making them larger and sweeter. Knowing when to harvest is key. A ripe watermelon will have a yellow spot on the underside where it rests on the ground and will sound hollow when tapped. Also, the tendril nearest to the fruit will turn brown and dry out. Harvest your watermelons at the right time for maximum sweetness and juiciness. And there you have it, folks, a foolproof method for growing sweet and succulent watermelons. I wish I knew this method sooner, but I'm thrilled to share it with you now. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!